Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to share my go-to makeup look that's perfect for any occasion. Whether you're heading out for a dinner date, snapping photos, or just want to feel fabulous, this natural glam look will do the trick. Let's dive right in. First things first, skin prep is crucial. I start with the ordinary niacinamide in the morning and night, followed by the ordinary caffeine solution 5% plus ECCG to wake up my under eyes. Then I use Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue and Magic Cream to hydrate and prime my skin, finishing with Supergoop Glow Screen for a glowy base. Moving on to the base makeup, I apply ELF Power Grip Primer to smooth my skin and control blemishes. For concealer, I love using L'Oreal Infallible Concealer with a brush for full coverage. Remember, don't use the applicator tip directly on your face to avoid spreading bacteria. For foundation, I go with Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Foundation for that radiant glow, but if the shade isn't quite right, NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in Fiji is a great alternative. I blend everything using the R Beauty Blurring Foundation brush. Contour time. I use the Cookie Contour Stick from Moda to define my cheekbones, jawline and nose. Blend it out well for a natural look. For blush, I choose a peachy shade and apply it to the outer part of my cheeks, blending towards my temples. Avoid those overly bright pinks. By Mario Soft Sculpt registered trademark shaping stick is amazing for brightening under the eyes and concealing any spots. Don't forget a spritz of setting spray to lock everything in. Alright, let's focus on the eyes. Set your under eyes with powder, then shape and fill in your eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Benefit Hoola Bronzer is perfect for a light contour on the face, ears and neck. Set your brows with a 24-hour brow gel. For eyeshadow, I use the Maven Beauty Palette for a subtle smoky eye. Blend darker shades into the crease and outer corners. Line your eyes with black eyeliner, and don't forget to curl your lashes before and after applying. My go-to mascara is L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof Mascara. It's fantastic for straight lashes. Finally, the lips. Line your lips with a brown lip liner, and don't hesitate to ask your viewers for cool-toned versus warm-toned recommendations. Finish with NYX Butter Gloss in a nude shade. For alternatives, try NYX Lip Lingerie in Truffle or Ruby Kisses lipstick. Add a touch of Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand for a perfect highlight. And there you have it, a flawless, natural glam look that's versatile for any event. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Check the description for links to all the products I used. See you next time.